Welcome to Helicon Soft Video Tutorials. This video will introduce you to focus stacking with Helicon Focus. We will start by opening the stack of images. Once you've found it, click on the first image. Hold down Shift button and click on the last one. Now that you have all the images chosen, just drag the whole stack onto the main screen. The other option is to open multiple images using Open Images command in the File menu. Here we have 27 images of a dew-covered beetle by Andrea Halgosh. To make such stack of images, you need to focus on the closest part of the beetle, then slightly shift focus for each subsequent shot until the farthest part of the image comes into focus. Now, all you have to do is click on the Render button, and the program will begin calculations. Default parameters work fine in the majority of cases. Here's the result. Notice how sharp the beetle looks all over. Now, switch to the Save tab. Click on the Save button, and you're done. Although we've only showed you the basic workflow, you can see that focus stacking is not complicated at all with Helicon Focus. Take a look at a few other images created with Helicon Focus. Here's a close-up of a walnut by Thomas Keller. It was generated from 64 partially sharp images. And here are lovely anemones that originate from 12 images shot by Anthony Worstel. To produce this image of a fly, Jefferson Allen made 42 shots and rendered the stack in Helicon Focus. Finally, here's a landscape. In the first image, the foreground is in focus. In the second, the background. And now the result, a fully focused image. Just 2 shots gave us an incredible depth of field. Now you're ready to start having fun with Helicon Focus. See other video tutorials on our website to learn more about focus stacking and retouching with Helicon Focus.